Hi, I'm Eddie the Bartender with liquorexam.com and bartendertees.com, here to show you how to make an Amaretto Sour. First, take a bucket glass, fill with ice. Got some ice in here. Now it's 1.5 ounces of Amaretto, that's an almond liqueur, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and sweet and sour, and that's it. You can use a jigger if you like. Once you're comfortable free pouring, you can free pour. Now Amaretto comes from the word amaro, which is an Italian word for bitter. While this is not a bitter drink, Amaretto liqueur has more of a sweet almond flavor. So the garnish is a cherry, so throw a cherry in there and a straw, and there you have it, an Amaretto Sour. Again, I'm Ed the Bartender with liquorexam.com and bartendertees.com. If you're interested in bartender apparel like this, visit bartendertees.com, where we have a full line of t-shirts, sweatshirts, hats, hoodies, and accessories. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.